Hello everyone, welcome to Edukemy. Have you ever wondered what is economics? If so, this video is for you. In the video, we will try to understand what is economics. This will be useful for all UPSC aspirants. So, let's start. Introduction. Economics is considered the science of choices. This may seem naive in the beginning. However, on closer inspection, you will find the questions related to making decisions a tough one. We all make numerous choices every day, and most of the time, we do so without noticing even. However, on closer introspection, you will find that most of your actions have been optimized over time. For instance, you will notice that while returning from work or college, most of us take a definite route. Someone will take a route and call it a shortcut to the destination, while someone else might prefer a different route that may actually be long but save time, maybe due to less traffic. This was just an example of short term effects. But don't we make choices that have long term impacts? Consider choosing your college or stream for higher studies, or even choosing whom to date or marry. Yes, you heard it right. Not all choices are easy. But if economics is the science of choice making, then is my decision to marry someone or not an economic choice? Economists might agree or disagree over that. However, let me make your answer to this question quite easy. A working definition of economics will go like this. Economics studies economic activities of human beings. And economic activities are those activities where money is involved. This definition simplifies our definition, but won't it sound naive if someone says that you did an economic transaction when you gifted your best friend a handsome watch? To solve this, here we have another definition by Dr. Stiglitz and his team, according to which economics studies how individuals, firms, governments, and other organizations within our society make choices and how these choices determine a society's use of its resources. Having said this, it then comes to our attention that resources are always finite and humans have unlimited desires. Therefore, Lionel Robbins in 1935 described economy as science of scarcity. We can only have one while we desire all, and therefore we have economics to guide us through. Origin of economics as a formal branch of study can be traced back to the book An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of the Wealth of Nations, written in 1776 by Adam Smith. Smith in his book emphasized that individual aspirations are motivated by the urge to have more, and individuals tend to indulge in activities that have indirect benefits for the society. So, the first woman who prepared a net to catch fish might have made it for her own needs. The social outcome of this was though far flung. Civilization got better at fishing, and now we even have a fishing industry. Smith's ideas have numerous other implications, and we will come back to this later on. But it needs to be emphasized over here that economics during its initial heydays was more concerned with how and why individuals make choices. We now have a separate branch of economics called microeconomics for this. Thus, microeconomics studies how individual choices, depending on the need and availability of a particular resource, drives price in the market. However, post Great Depression era of 1930s, there arose a different stream of economics called macroeconomics. Macroeconomics looks at the sum total of economic activities of a nation or an economy to understand dynamics of the market, including inflation and growth. It thus is the study of economic activities of a larger area. The area or nation whose economic study is taken up under economic studies is termed an economy. Thus, we can talk of Indian economy or Japan's economy and so on. Also, in recent decades, we have seen greater use of mathematical modeling in social sciences. We now have mathematical models for optimizing decisions, analyzing economic data, and so on. The branch of economics that seeks to apply statistical and mathematical models to economic analysis is called econometrics. Summing up, we can say that economics is the study of the quest of mankind to fulfill its unlimited desires by optimal utilization of available resources. That's all in today's video. See you in the next lecture. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe.